Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to rotate trailer tires for safety and longer wear. Rotating trailer tires isn't just about maintenance, it's about safety, performance, and saving money. Uneven wear can lead to blowouts, poor handling, and costly replacements. Regularly rotating your trailer tires ensures even tread wear, helps them last longer, and keeps you safer on the road. If you've ever wondered if this step is worth the effort, the answer is a resounding yes. In this video, you'll learn exactly how and why it matters, so you can keep your trailer in top condition. Understanding your trailer's tire requirements. Keeping your trailer running smoothly starts with understanding its tires. Trailer tires handle more specific demands than vehicle tires. They're built to bear heavy loads and maintain stability, which means they wear differently. Knowing your tires' requirements is key to planning an effective rotation schedule to prevent avoidable damage and extend their lifespan. Bias ply versus radial tires. Tire construction plays a huge role in how and when you rotate them. Trailers typically come fitted with either bias ply or radial tires, and each type has unique characteristics that influence wear patterns. Bias ply tires. These are built with layers of fabric crisscrossed at an angle. They're great for handling heavy loads but have less flexibility. The rigid structure often causes more even tire wear across the tread, but the stiff design might lead to faster wear on uneven terrain. When rotating bias ply tires, maintaining the original direction is important to avoid stressing the internal structure. Radial tires. Radials have steel belts running perpendicular to the tread, offering better flexibility and heat dissipation. This helps them perform well over longer distances at highway speeds, but they tend to wear unevenly, especially on trailers with poor alignment. Rotating these tires in a traditional X pattern can balance wear and improve durability. Not sure which tires you have? Check the sidewall. Radials are marked with an R, while bias ply will have a D or B in the size code. Knowing this detail helps avoid mistakes that could reduce their performance and lifespan. Load and weight distribution factors. Did you know that how you load your trailer can significantly affect your tires? Uneven weight distribution is one of the biggest culprits behind premature tire wear. Poor placement of heavy items causes certain tires to carry more load than others, leading to uneven tread wear. Here's how to spot potential trouble. Does one corner of your trailer sit lower than the rest? A sagging area could point to overloaded tires in that region. Are your items centered on the trailer? Properly placed loads evenly distribute weight across all tires, preventing stress on any single point. Regular tire rotations help counteract these wear patterns by giving overused tires a break. Plus, they provide the perfect opportunity to inspect for damage caused by imbalances. Paired with evenly distributing your load before heading out, you'll keep unnecessary wear to a minimum. Manufacturer recommendations. No two trailers are identical, and that's why your owner's manual exists. Every trailer manufacturer includes specific guidelines for tire maintenance and rotation tailored to their design. Ignoring these recommendations could leave you guessing and risking mistakes. Why stick to the manual? Rotation patterns. Some trailers may recommend specific swaps, such as front to back only or using a cross pattern. Safety limits, axle placement, suspension type, and the number of tires can all impact safe rotation practices. Durability. Manufacturer insights maximize tread life and avoid unnecessary strain on your trailer. While it's tempting to apply a one-size-fits-all mindset here, following these directions ensures your tires perform safely and effectively. If you've misplaced the manual, a quick search on the manufacturer's website or a call to their customer support should get you back on track. Understanding your trailer's specific tire needs isn't just about prolonging the life of the tires. It's about helping the entire vehicle perform better, ride safer, and handle more effectively. This foundation will make the actual rotation process much more straightforward. How often should you rotate trailer tires? Knowing when to rotate your trailer tires is key to keeping them in good condition and avoiding unexpected issues on the road. Regular rotations help distribute tread wear evenly, improving performance and maximizing the life of your tires. But how often should you do it? The answer depends on factors like mileage, seasonal usage, and even the way your tires look and feel while driving. Here's what you need to know. Mileage-based rotations. Most industry experts recommend rotating trailer tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, but the exact timing can depend on your trailer's load and tire type. If your trailer is hauling heavy loads consistently or traveling over long distances, sticking to the 5,000-mile mark is wise. For lighter use, closer to 7,000 miles is usually sufficient. For better accuracy, check the mileage recommendations provided in your trailer owner's manual or by the tire manufacturer. Using these guidelines ensures you're aligning with what's best for your specific setup. Tracking mileage might seem tedious, but keeping a simple log or setting calendar reminders can make it much easier to stay on top of this maintenance step. Pro tip: if your trailer tires have visible wear before reaching 5,000 miles, it might indicate alignment issues, uneven weight distribution, or the need for more frequent rotations. Always do a quick visual inspection when planning a rotation. Frequency for seasonal use. If you're a seasonal or occasional trailer user, mileage-based intervals might not offer the best schedule for tire rotation. In these cases, aim to rotate trailer tires at least once a year, regardless of mileage. This prevents them from developing uneven wear from prolonged stationary periods or limited use. For trailers stored over winter or used only during certain times of the year, consider rotating tires at the start of each new season. This habit lets you inspect for issues like dry rot or flat spotting caused by long periods of inactivity. It also prepares your trailer for safe use during busy times like summer road trips or hauling equipment in the spring. Storing your trailer correctly in the off-season can also reduce unnecessary wear. Make sure it's parked on a flat surface, out of direct sunlight, and with the tires inflated to the recommended pressure. Small efforts like this protect your tires and may even extend the intervals between rotations. That's it for part 1. Now you know the basics of tire rotation for better safety and longer wear. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover the step-by-step process. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.